Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mario from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw cool Mario, let's first start by drawing his big round nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. So start with a curve. Nice and big. And I'm going to round the sides up. And connect at the bottom, just like the top. There. So now that we have this really big nose, let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come about right here and we're going to draw another oval. So we're going to go up, nice and big, and come right down to about right here. And then we're going to come right across, so same thing on the other side. Up, same height as the other eye. Then bring it down to the same area on the other side. So now that we have that, let's go inside and we're going to draw more of these ovals. So I'll start by right here and I'm just going to go up to about right here. And then we're going to draw another one. Come right back here. And same thing. So on this one right here, on the side right here, I'm just going to draw a circle for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And then when you're coloring, this is going to be Mario's eye color. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So if it's easier, you can go up and then bring it down or down and up. It's all up to you. Just play around with it, see which one's easier for your hand. So same thing here. There. So now I have the eyes in, I'm going to draw his mustache. So about right here, really close to the eye, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve. Kind of following the shape of my eye. So same thing here on the other side. Just draw these two curves. And then from there, I'm going to come right back down to my center of my nose. And I'm just going to come in a little bit. Come down, just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw 3 curves to come right back up to here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and then 1 big one to complete this mustache. So same exact thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 1 big one. And now I'll just come in here and shade this in all black so you can see a little bit better. There. Okay, and then from there we're going to come underneath the mustache and draw a big smile. So it's very, very close to the mustache. So hopefully I can fit this in here and then draw a smile and cap it off. And then very, very lightly, I'm just going to draw a light line right underneath. There. Make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame his face. So let's see here. We're going to come to, let's say about, not too high, because we need to draw a curve over his eye. So let's just keep that in mind. So I'll say about right here, at the top of this part of my eye, I'm going to come out and say about right here, really close to the mustache. And I'm going to draw a straight line down. And this line is going to kind of hit where the mustache is. So same thing here. Come with this line right here. And this is going to be like his hairline. So I'm going to come out, come down, and just stop right there where the mustache ends. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to follow the curve of our mustache. We're just going to come out a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit for his cheeks. So this curve here right now is going to start to become his bottom of his face. So I'm going to come back to my center, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just kind of imagining where I want his chin to be. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to meet that point I've created. So let's go ahead and draw a round curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go back up. I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. So I'm just still imagining I need to draw a curve over the eye, so that's why I kind of need it a little bit higher. So then I'm going to come down a little bit more, right about here, and finish off this curve. So I'm just going to come down. And same thing here. And finish this curve. So this is his sideburns. And so the reason this is lower is because right here I need to draw a curve going up. So same thing here. It's going to go up towards my center. So let's go ahead and about right here is my center, and then I'm going to bring this curve down. There. So if it's easier, you could have come down to about maybe the top of this point, actually, this part of the eye, come out, and then just draw the bottom of a U. Maybe I should have done that. Maybe that would have been a little bit easier, right? Okay, but we just want to figure out that's where the sideburns, and then you can go ahead and put in the sideburns. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw his ear. So right at this point right here, we're going to pop in a big curve. Nice big ears. And then I'm going to come in here for some details. One curve and another. So same thing on the other side, right about here. And I'm just going to drag a point across. So approximately the same part, so where the sideburn ends. And pop in another curve for his ear and the details inside. Then we can go ahead, come back in here, and we're going to draw the rim of our hat on both sides. So I'm just going to create a curve going up towards our center, about right here, and then bring it down. There. And then one more layer, the top of his hat. So let's come back again, and we're just going to go up. So same thing here, come back into the space. And this part of his hat, it's much, a little bit pointier. So I'm going to bring this up. Just kind of take a look how high you want to bring it, and say about right here. About right there towards my center, and then I'll bring it down. And connect everything. Okay. Sorry for the mess, but definitely make adjustments as you need. So notice it's just a little bit pointier at the top. And then we're going to come in here into this space right in the center, about here and here. And we're going to draw a big oval in this space. Bring it back, and then we're going to draw an M. So come up from my center, about right here, draw the bottom of my M. So just drawing an M, and then we're going to thicken it up. Cross, cross, go straight up, and down to connect and create our M. There. Okay, so finally we're done. Oh no, actually, you know what? I forgot his brows. Knew we were missing something. So let's come back about right here, and we're gonna go up with a curve, and then down, and then back up. So whatever space you have, and just fill it in. And I'll shade this all in black as well. So same thing over here. Go up up and then to about right here as well, and shade it all in. There, now we're complete, right? Okay, so now let's draw his body. We're going to come about right here and give him a shoulder, so nice and even. Just give him a little shoulder. And then he has these suspenders that he's wearing, like overalls, right? So I'm gonna come about right here and here. Just gonna draw our first one. So just draw a little angle line down, and I'll just go ahead and connect it. Angle, and connect. There. And then we're going to draw a circle in here. This one a little bit thicker for our button. And then in between, about right here, we're going to draw a curve. There. And then let's see here. So we're going to continue this curve, imagining his body. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop out a curve. Right here. So this is going to be his chest and tummy area. And bring it in. So let's say about right, let's just bring it to about right there on both sides. So now we're pretty even. I'm going to kind of imagine this as a curve on a big oval. So as I come down, I'll say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and right in the center, imagine this going through, and I'm going to put a little curve right there. So this is where his legs are going to start. And from there, I'm going to come, that's my center, so I'm going to come about right here and draw two curves. There. So we can start his legs now. So let's bring this and bring it down. Bring this down to about right here. You can add a little bump if you want. Bring this down. And then from there, we're going to go up to create his shoe and down. So nice big curve. Finish that off, and then right here, little curve, and then we're just going to finish off his shoe. Flatten this part and then curve in. Angle in, I mean. There. Big shoes. And then same thing over here. Do a little bump. So same thing. Come out. And about right here. Curve out. Come down. So this part is needs to be a little bit thicker. And then once again, just connect it. There, so we got his feet in. Then finally, let's see here, let's draw his arms. So we're going to bring them to his sides, and his arms are going to be, his hands are going to be about right here in this area. So bring my shoulders down to about right here and about there, and then we're going to draw a cuff. So let's cut it off, and we're going to curve this in for a cuff, connect it, and then let's draw his fist. So we're going to put his hands in a fist, curve, one big curve, and then another. And let's come back here, and we're going to angle it down, curve it in, and connect. So it's all connected at an angle with these two bumps right here. And these bumps, we're going to continue this curve. And then right about here, if you like, you can add a little indication of the other fingers. So same thing over here. Just drag a point across, about right here. do about the same thing. Just drag your point across so you're approximately the same, and once again, we're going to draw a curve and connect. And then once again, his fist. So let's bring down an angle. And we're going to curve it in. And then once again, bump it out. Come down. About here. Then angle it in. And bring it up. And then right in here, curve in. And a little line right there. There, so hopefully I helped you with the hands. Okay, and let's see, I think that is pretty much it. This is my newest version of Mario. I did draw Mario a long time ago, but this one is a little bit more true to original character. So they're all done. I really hope you love my newest version of Mario here and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.